Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to start a new topic, geometry and trigonometry. We know in a Cartesian plane, the point has the form pxy. So if we have to write, only two coordinates are there, x and y. So it can be written in this way. Whereas in three-dimensional space, we add one more coordinate. So coordinate z is also getting added here. So the point has the form x, y, z. So we can write it as, so the form of the point, it will change from pxy, which is in Cartesian plane, to pxyz in three-dimensional space. The distance between two points A and B is given by distance formula. So here distance formula is given by this. So square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square plus z1 minus z2 whole square. This is the distance formula. We have already done distance formula in Cartesian plane. So in three-dimensional plane, the distance formula is given by this. Also, the midpoint of the line segment is given by the formula x1 plus x2 by 2 plus y1 plus y2 by 2 and z1 plus z2 by 2. So we can find the coordinates of the midpoint of these 2 points. So the coordinates of point A are x1, y1, z1 and the coordinates of point B are x2, y2, z2. Let's do example now. So here two points are given to us, point A and point B. So coordinates of point A are 2, -3, 5. So that means x1, y1 and z1 is given to us. And coordinates of B are also given to us, -1, 1, 5. So x2, y2 and z2 it's given to us. We have to find the distance between AB. So distance between AB we can find with the help of distance formula, which is given to us as square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square plus z1 minus z2 whole square. So we can substitute values now. So x1 is 2 minus x2 is -1 whole square plus y1 is -3 minus y2 is +1, so -3 minus 1 plus z1 which is 5 and z2 is also 5, so 5 minus 5 whole square. So let us simplify this. So 2, -1 and this negative sign. So negative and negative all together it will become plus. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 square we can write as 9 plus -3 and -1. -3, -1. Minus minus plus with a negative sign. So this is equals to -4. 3 plus 1 is 4 with a negative sign. So whole square. Square of a negative is always positive. So square of 4 is 16. So 4 the square is 16. So -4 square is also 16. Square of a negative is always positive because minus sign will get cancelled here. So 9 plus 16 plus 5 minus 5 is 0. So 9 plus 16 plus 0, which is equals to square root of 25. 9 plus 16, 25. Square root of 25's value is equals to 5. So 5 units. Distance between points A and B is 5 units. So first part of the question is done. Let's do second, distance between O and B. So here O is origin. Here O is origin. So distance between O and B we have to find. So origin's coordinates are 0, 0, 0. And we know the coordinates of B as well. So coordinates of B are given to us as -5, -1, -1, 1, 5. So let us check -1, 1, 5. So distance between origin and B we have to find. So distance OB. So this we can find with the direct formula as well. So no need of this formula, no need of this distance formula. This is the distance between 2 points. If we have to find the distance between origin and any other point, so we can use the formula x1 square. So here we'll not write 1. So x square plus y square plus z square. So here the coordinates of the point B we can consider as x, y, z. So this formula, this is a direct formula we can use to find the distance between origin and any other point. So let's do now x square. So -1 square plus y is 1. So 1 square plus 5 square. So square root of -1 square is 1. So square of a negative is always positive. 1 plus 1 plus 5 square is 25. So this is equals to 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 25 is 27. So square root of 27. So 27 units you can write, or if you want with the help of GDC you can find the value of square root of 27 and approximately you will get this value. So square root of 27, it's equals to 5.196. So let's do next part now, the third part of the question. So first part we have done. Distance between 2 points we have found. Then we have found distance between origin and 1 point. So for first one we use distance formula x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square plus z1 minus z2 whole square under the root. Then for distance between origin and point, we use the formula square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Now in part C, we have to find the coordinates of the midpoint M of the line segment AB. So line segment AB is A and B's coordinates are given to us. Coordinates of A 2, -3, 5. 2, -3, 5. And coordinates of B we know it is -1, 1, 5. So we can write here x1, y1, z1 and for B x2, y2, z2. We can apply now midpoint formula. So midpoint formula, so where M is the midpoint of AB, line segment AB. So directly I can do, so for x coordinate, so midpoint coordinates we have to find. So I can write M, then x is x1 plus x2 by 2. Y's coordinate is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. Z coordinate is equals to z1 plus z2 by 2. So M as it is, x1 is 2 plus x2 is -1. So 2 plus -1 by 2. Y1 is -3 plus y2 is 1. So -3 plus 1 by 2. Z1 is 5. Z2 is also 5. So 5 plus 5 by 2. So M, 2 plus minus is minus. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 by 2. So plus minus. is minus. So 3 minus 1 is 2, and the sign which is with a greater number. So with 3 negative sign is there. So with answer also negative sign will come. So minus 3 plus 1 is negative 2, negative 2 by 2. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 by 2. So we can do cancellation here where it's possible. So 2 into 1, 2 into 5. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled here. So coordinates of the midpoint M of line segment AB are given to us as 1 by 2, negative 1 and 5. So C part is done. We have to find the coordinates of midpoint M of line segment AB. It's done. Now D part. The coordinates of point C, given that B is the midpoint of AC. Coordinates of point C, given that, so coordinates of the C we have to find. So what's given here? Given that B is the midpoint of AC. So here I have one line segment AB, AC. Here we have a line segment AC whose midpoint is B. So we have line segment AC whose midpoint is C. So coordinates of the point C, given that midpoint is B. B is a midpoint, not C. By mistake I said. So let's do, we have to find the coordinates of C. A and B's coordinates are already given to us. Coordinates of A 2, negative 3, 5, and B's coordinates are negative 1, 1, 5. So let me check. 2, negative 3, 5, negative 1, negative 1, 5. So this I can write as x2, y2, z2. A's coordinates we can write as x1, y1, z1. And B's coordinates we can write as x, y, z, because B is the midpoint of AC. In this line segment AC, B is the midpoint and we have to find the coordinates of C. So we will use midpoint formula. So x coordinate is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2. X coordinate is equals to, so this is B's coordinate because B is the midpoint. So x1, so B's coordinate is given to us. X value is negative 1. So I'm just substituting here. So why I have written? So you can see X value is negative 1. So I'm just substituting the value. X1 is 2 plus X2. We don't know. So we'll write it as it is by 2. We'll simplify this one. 2 will shift to other side. So negative 2 into 2. This 2 will get multiplied. Here it's getting divided. So this will become negative 2. Negative 2 into 2 into negative 1 is equals to negative 2. So this side I have 2 plus x2. So we have to find x2, will shift 2 to other side. So negative 2 minus 2. Because here this is positive, when we shift it to other side it will become negative. So we will get its value as negative 4. So x2 is equals to negative 4. Let us write here x2 is equals to negative 4. Let us find the value of y now. So for point B, which is the midpoint, y coordinate is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. So y coordinate is already given to us. It's equals to 1. I'm just plugging the value of y as 1. Y1 is given to us is negative 3. Y2 is not given to us. So as it is, we are going to write by 2. Now we will shift 2 to other side. 2, when we shift to other side, to 2 times 1 is equals to 2. Negative 3 plus y2. Y2 we have to find, so that means negative 3 we have to shift to other side. When negative 3 will shift to other side, it will become positive 3. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So we found the value of y2 as 5. So here I am going to write it. Now let's find the coordinates of z. The third coordinate, z1 plus z2 by 2. So value of z is given to us as 5. Z1 is also 5. Z2 we don't know, so as it is we'll write. So 2 will shift to other side. When 2 will shift to other side, it will get multiplied. So 5 times 2 is equals to 10 is equals to 5 plus Z2. 5 will shift to other side. It's positive. So when we shift to other side, it will become negative. So 10 minus 5 is equals to Z2. 10 minus 5 is 5, which is equals to Z2. So we found the third coordinate also. So this is also 5. So the coordinates of C are 4, minus 4, 5, 5. So here we have completed this example. In this, we have found the distance between 2 points, distance between origin and point B, coordinates of the midpoint M of the line segment AB, and when AC is the line segment, we have found the coordinates of point C, where the coordinates of midpoint B were given to us. So here we have completed. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.